guys, welcome back to my channel and this week's video. I hope you all had a really wonderful Christmas and New Year. It was absolutely manic for me, and unfortunately this is the only time I've had to actually make a video. So I apologise for the lack of content last week, but I'm sure you can all appreciate that Christmas is a very busy time for most of us. Now this week's video is actually good timing because I have just had a huge delivery from SBD London, and when I say huge, I literally mean huge. I have this whole box plus a little box full of goodies that I will be going through with you in today's video. I just want to say a huge thank you as well to everyone that watches my videos and subscribes to my channel and likes and comments on all my videos as well. One of my videos has just reached 100 views, which might seem like a really small thing to most people, but for me that is absolutely huge. I never imagined that I'd even really get more than 10 views, so the fact that 100 views on one video is brilliant. And if you do like my channel, then please like and subscribe, and if there is anything you'd like me to review or try or talk to you about, then please do leave it in the comments section below. I respond to everyone that does comment, and it would just mean a huge amount for me as well, and it kind of grow my channel a bit more. All links to the products that I'll be showing you today will be in the description box as well as the links to my social media. So without further ado, let's dive right in and I'll show you what I've bought.
Hello, voiceover me here. So here I am. One of my orders was the brand new SBD London gel nail lamp, and oh my god, I am so pleased I ordered it. I had a few troubles with the courier, but Louise was brilliant and we managed to get it all sorted, and I finally have it, and just look, I'm so excited. And can I say, as always, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we go. On the sides, in the holographic, you've got all of the little logos where it tells you everything about it. So it's non-tanning, UV LED, 48 watt, 2 meter cable, and everything else you need to know. And then the social media is on the side, and this is the L1 lamp, as you can see on the bottom of the box, or on the side of the lid, sorry. And if we open it up, it all comes packaged nicely here. So first we've just got the bit of paper, so it talks about some of the cautions. You've got your warranty, so just make sure you fill all of that out with the model, date of purchase, the seller, your name, and all your contact info. And it gives you all of the cautions that you should take when using the lamp, as well as the technical information. And then on the other side as well, it just tells you what's the contents of the box, the description, how to use it, any additional information you should know, as well as what some of the functions on the light are. So here we go, just opening it up. So it comes in the little the polyester polystyrene like packet thing, and I ended up using my nails to open it. That's bad. And as cheesy as this sound, your nails are jewels, not tools, even your natural ones. So just trying to zoom in a bit so you can see it. It's like a really faint, like white glitter. It's so pretty. But just taking the top off now, it's all magnetic, so you can see all of the little UV LED lights inside. And then the base here as well, it's really pretty, got like a little heart in there, you can see where the magnets are. And this works by motion sensor, so there's the little black dot, and that's how it picks up on when your hand's in the lamp. I had put it on the wrong way round. So on the top we've got several functions. We have 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and the 99-second low heat mode, as well as the double power. And it tells you how to use those just in the description on the little leaflet that was in there. And then your plug comes in a separate little box, and again it's got the lovely SBD London logo on there, and you've got the super amazing 2 meter long cable, which is absolutely brilliant, because the last thing you want is a really short cable that you have to use extension leads, or you have to be sat awkwardly to use it. But look, it's just such a pretty lamp in general. It's like a nice big shape, not too big. It packs away neatly in my my travel case because I'm mobile. And there you can see, look, it lights up amazingly. It counts up when the hand goes in it. You can press the button and it will count down for you. Just giving it quickly, and I ended up getting glitter on there from when I was filming my previous video. But you can stick your hand in the back as well, which is really good. So you can have your hand in either side if you wanted to cure both hands at the same time. And there we go. Like I said, it counts up for each of the settings, or counts down, sorry. And it counts up when your hand's in there. It's just so pretty. And here's a side-on view, although you should never look directly at the light. But you can see that's what it looks like with your hand in that way. And I did try and do both hands in at the same time. I did a really bad job of that. You can see what it looks like. It's just so pretty, so pretty. And that's the rest at the back, and then the heart is actually quite comfortable when you put your hand on it. It doesn't feel uncomfortable or awkward or anything like that. It's brilliant. I love it. There we go. And I also ordered a replacement Secura Pink signature gel. And again, like I said, this is in previous videos. This is basically a poly gel, as well as the slip solution. I have a base coat and a non-wipe top coat. I love their top coats and base coats. I use them all of the time. And then I ordered this lovely little gem. And look at the packaging. It's all holographic. It's amazing. Absolutely love it. So this is the Galaxy Crush number 8. There's quite a few in the collection here. They come in these beautiful little pots. Got the logo on the top. And it says "Be Inspired" on the side, which is the SBD London, almost tagline, I guess. And I struggled getting the bit of tape off. I clearly couldn't open anything properly today. But as you can see on the bottom there, it's Galaxy Crush number 8. Finally got it open. Pull the little seal off, and inside we will reveal the holographic gorgeousness that is this little pot. So here you go, you've got all of the beautiful little sparkles in there. And I just swatched this on the inside of one of my swatch sticks again. Just popping a nice even amount on there for you. And I just think it's so pretty. So pretty. This is going to be such a popular one with my clients as well. I can feel it already. I can't wait to be able to do my nails. So I just popped this in my brand new SBD London lamp for 1 minute to cure, and this is what it looks like. Oh, when it focuses. Really pretty. Really pretty. There we go. I think it's so gorgeous, and the light catches it so nicely. So the other thing I ordered was the grey series from SBD London, and just look, there's such beautiful colours in there. So all of the collections come, whether it's a 6-piece or a 12-piece, they come packaged up in this packaging here, the beautiful holographic box. And you also get a photo frame with the swatches on there that you can display in your salon or wherever you want. I personally take them out with me when I'm going to see clients, just because they can see what colours I've got then. But inside, this is what you've got. So you've got an ingredient list there, and it tells you the concentrations of each item in there. And you've also got your application instructions. Then each bottle comes packaged individually like this. So you've got the beautiful blue bottle with a little angel on the top of it. In the, again, I don't know what to call these bags. I'm just calling them like a polyester type bag. Inside, the little foam insert to keep them all in place. And you can just remove all of them here for you. Just whilst I'm unboxing these, actually, I should probably say that the lamp I ordered was £72 including VAT. And they also do a black glitter lamp, which is about £78 including VAT. I think those prices might be slightly out, but I will leave the links in the description box below so you can go and check out the page yourself. And again, everything's got the Be Inspired little tagline, which I think is really cute. So here I am taking number 1 in the collection, and I am just popping it on my swatch stick here, and this is like a minty pastel-y green, I guess, but you can tell that there's like grey undertones in it. And again, all of these colours are cured for 1 minute in an LED and 2 minutes in a UV lamp, and that's what it looks like. So going in with number 2 here, which is like an off-white, really pale, really light grey, just popping it in the bottom of the stick there. And all of the colours are a really great consistency. I found that this was just 1 coat in here, and depending on how thickly you apply it, you might not need more than 1 coat. Best practice, I always tend to do 2 coats, but for the swatches I didn't. This one is like almost like a rosy, not rosy, but like off pink, grey, beige. And again, you can use this as a nude colour. It's really quite wearable and a nice consistency. Number 4 is this grey purple, I guess, almost blue. I'm doing a really bad job of explaining the colours today. But as you can see, it's quite a pretty, like dusky kind of colour. And I really love number 5. It's like this grey, green, blue. And I think this is really pretty. I will definitely be doing some nails in this. And it's quite a nice like wintry colour. We are still in winter. Unfortunately, I can't wait for spring, but it's a really wearable colour for this season. And again, so is number 6. All of these colours are great. I know that they have been really popular. Louise is always selling these. And in the page she's got on Facebook, where all of like the clients and customers can share photos, you can see that it's always a really popular one there. Number 7 is this, again, like a slightly greeny kind of colour. Personally, not one that I'd wear often. I don't really like the colour green. I have clients that do, but it's not really my kind of colour. Number 8, again, is like another beigey grey. A lot of these colours are quite similar. They're all slightly different variations of shades, but they're all really, really pretty in their own right. Quite a natural on that. And then we have number 9, which is your grey. Greys are always popular. I like greys for nail art and drawings and stuff. And it's quite a nice deep grey. And again, another grey that's got more of a greeny hint to it. And I just pop this in the swatch stick. And like I said, all of these were cured for 1 minute. And I did them in the back of here so I wouldn't have to top coat them. They've got the shininess of the top there. Number 11 is quite a really dark, like grey, almost like navy, really, really dark navy blue sort of colour. I really quite like this one. I do like my darker colours. I think it's really pretty. And you can see it in the back there. And finally, number 12 is this light grey colour. And I just put a nice even layer in the back of the swatch stick. And I pop this in the lamp just for the 1 minute, like the rest. And here we have all of the colours laid out for you. Please ignore all of the glitter underneath. I was filming another video before this and I had a bit of a glitter explosion there. But just coming back so you can see all of them. The lighting was awful, so they don't do them proper justice, but you saw them as I was popping them on the swatches. Really lovely colours. I absolutely love them all. And here's the final video, just showing you everything that I've got, the new lamp, the swatches and everything else. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.